Hi guys, welcome back to Coola's Crafts. Do you guys want something small and tedious to do? Well then I have just what you need. Small little mini notebooks. If you want to make one of your own, then just keep watching and I'll show you all the steps you need.
Alright, so we're going to start off with the plain piece of paper and do a hot dog fold and another one on top of that. Then we're just going to cut along the fold lines and you should end up with 4 strips of evenly cut paper. And we're going to take one of those strips, fold it in half, and fold it in half again. And can you guess what we're going to do? Yep, fold it in half again. And we're going to do that for the rest of the pieces. And once you have them all folded, we're going to undo all of our work and unfold them. Once all those are unfolded, we're gonna glue all of them together. So just glue down one square, put another square on top, and make a very long chain of folded paper. So it should look something like this. So now we're just gonna fold it accordion style all the way down. Doesn't matter which way you choose, just gotta be consistent throughout the entire thing. And then just choose one side and glue the entire side down. And start folding again accordion style. All the way down. And leave the last square without glue, since that one's the odd one out. And there you have a little notebook. So let's make a cover. Start off with another piece of paper and fold it hamburger style and hamburger style again. And then you're just going to cut along the fold lines into 4 equal squares. We're going to use one of those squares, we're going to fold it in half but not completely, we're just marking the edges. And then we're going to fold into the center but not exactly on the center line. We want to leave a gap, as you can see there. So then we're going to be folding the spine area. So measure that out and fold up to that spine. And we're going to flip it around and do the other side as well. And that way your spine will perfectly fit inside your book. So just wrap around the edges around a loose page to see what size you need for the front and back covers. And then we're just going to flip them over and one piece of paper will slide inside the little fold we did. And that will keep the notebook in place. So this one's pretty boring. Let's make it a lot more colorful. I've got a bunch of construction sheets all rainbowed. So obviously the first thing I'm going to do is a rainbow. So I'm just cutting out half circles in each color and gluing them all together. Then I'm just cutting out the little small half circle to create the full rainbow. I decided to use a blue book cover and I'm just gluing that on top. And it can't be a rainbow without the little clouds on the end. So I just cut out a few of those pieces and there you go. This is what our little rainbow notebook looks like. Now with a yellow notebook, we're going to be creating a sunset. So grab a stripe of orange and glue it along the center. Then take a red stripe and glue it on the bottom. And if you have any excess paper, just cut off the edges. Now that you have that, decide what you want your silhouette to be. For me, I wanted a palm tree. So I just meticulously cut that out and I glued it down, centering it on the front cover. Now I'm just sliding in the last pages of the notebook into the sleeves, and there we go. Cute little sunset notebook. On to the next. For this one I chose a black cover and we're going to be doing a mountain scenery. So I'm just cutting out some mountain shapes and shading in some of the mountains, focusing on one side and just gluing those down. I wanted to add a little moon to create a little more detail. And using a silver Sharpie, just creating some stars as well. And with that done, our little notebook is complete. And here we have some green on green, so that's not nice. Oh, there we go, that's better. For the next one, I'm just keeping it simple. I'm using some zebra print duct tape that I have, and I'm just cutting out some shapes and using it to decorate the front cover. So I'm just peeling off the back and placing a border around, and can you guess what we're putting in the center? That's right, a zebra. So just peel off the sticker backing and place it on. Put in your little notebook pages, and we're done with this one. Pretty cute. Next up, a yellow background. This one is if you don't really want to do any artistic stuff with scenery. I'm just cutting out a bunch of random shapes and stripes and just gluing them down, and then I'm just adding in a bunch of dots. So something simple if you don't really know where to start. Alright, and those are all of our books.
Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you want to see more stuff like this, then be sure to subscribe as I put out new craft videos every week. Other than that, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!